Jolie Metal Leaf and Gold Size. Applying metal leaf is an authentic way of adding metallic accents to your piece. Keep in mind that gold size and metal leaf are intended for interior use only. And if you're gilding over a piece painted with Jolie paint, make sure to apply your gold size and metal leaf before the Jolie finishing wax. The gold size will not stick to already waxed surfaces. Let's learn how to do it. Start by applying a thin, even layer of gold size with an artist brush, making sure to reach any details or carved areas. Avoid leaving puddles or drips. If you're gilding a porous surface, apply 2 coats of size 15 minutes apart. Wash your brush as soon as possible with warm, soapy water. Wait about 10 to 20 minutes for the size to come to tack. Now it's time to use your Jolie metal leaf. Cut the metal leaf into smaller strips if needed. To make the leaf easier to handle, rub some baby powder on your hands. Next, gently apply the leaf over the now tacky size and use a dry, flat brush to push the leaf onto the surface. Continue with the next sheet, overlapping it slightly so there are no gaps. Continue the process until all of the areas where you applied gold size has been covered with leaf. Remove any loose, excess leaf by gently pushing it away with a soft brush. Be careful to not scratch the metal leaf with the bristles of your brush. You can follow up with a cheesecloth or a soft cloth to help remove any last little pieces. Let the size and leaf dry overnight. Apply clear finishing wax with a lint-free cloth to seal and protect the leaf and wipe back any excess. Do not apply any water-based top coats. And that's it. You've successfully gilded your piece. For more techniques, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, www.joliehome.com. It's your life. Make it beautiful.